Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to fix Excel text not showing in next cell issue. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to Excel text not showing in next cell issue using 4 quick ways. Method 1. Check for hidden cell values. If cell values are hidden, you won't be able to see data in a cell. But the data will be visible in the formula bar. To display hidden cell values in a worksheet, select a single cell or range of cells that doesn't show the text. Right-click on the selected cell or range of cells, and choose Format Cells. A Format Cells window opens. On the Number tab, choose Custom, and check if 3 semicolons appear in the type text box. If you can see the 3 semicolons, click on Delete to delete the formatting type, and then click OK. If you cannot see semicolons in the type text box, skip to the next workaround. Method 2. Change the default font. Compared to the previous technique, this method requires a few more steps, but works almost 100% of time. To change the default font of cells or ranges, select a cell or cell range where the text is not showing up. Right-click on the selected cell or cell range, and click Format Cells. From the pop-up window, click on the Font tab, and then change the default font, usually Calibri, to any other font, like Arial or Times New Roman. Press the OK button. If changing the default font doesn't fix the Excel data not showing in next cell problem, proceed with the next workaround. If done correctly, the problem will be successfully solved. Method 3. Copy the Excel sheet data to a new workbook. Moving the faulty sheet data to a new Excel workbook is another easy trick to solve Excel text not showing in next cell. To do this, open your password protected sheet, select all the content using Ctrl+A keys. Then press Ctrl+C to copy them. After that, create a new workbook, and paste the copied content using Ctrl+V keys to a new file. Method 4. Adjust row height to make the cell data visible. If you have cells with wrapped text, try adjusting the row height of the cell or range to make the data visible. For this, select a specific cell or range to adjust the row height. On the Home tab, click Format. Under Cell Size, click Auto Fit Row Height to automatically adjust the row height of your cell or cell range. Click Row Height to manually enter a cell's row height. This will open a row height box. In the box, enter the row height that you want. Ultimate recommendation: use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a way to fix Excel workbook corruption and recover all its data, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Excel text not showing in next cell issue. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.